Hello students, now I am going to start question number 7 of exercise 7.2. Now question number 7 says, in a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal areas such that in the first part we have the triangles are congruent. We will have to draw two triangles of equal areas in such a way that triangles are congruent, and in the next part we will have to draw two triangles of equal areas in such a way that triangles are not congruent. Now, in the first case, we will have to draw two triangles of equal areas in such a way that triangles are congruent. So, to do that, we will have to make the base same. Okay. Now, see, here we have drawn two triangles ABC and PQR, in which base is same and height is also same. Here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to make the base. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And height, see, 1, 2, 3. 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 3 units to make the height. 4 units to make the base and 3 units to make the height in both the triangle. And if we have the same base and same height, then we will have the same area, right? Here we have drawn the height. Say this is AD at the midpoint, okay, at the midpoint of ABC. Similarly, we have drawn the height PS from S point, and which is the midpoint of QR. Okay, so this PS is the height of the triangle PQR. So, since here we have taken the same length to make the base and same length to make the height, so here these two triangles ABC and PQR will be identical in shape and size. So we can say that ABC triangle and PQR triangle are congruent since the shape and size is equal here. Now this ABC and PQR have the same area, so ABC and PQR triangle are congruent. Now if they are congruent, their perimeter also will be same. Now if you see the figure here, base in both the triangle is same, which is of 4 unit, okay, and the two side is drawn using 3 boxes in both the triangle. So perimeter will be equal in both the triangle. So what can you say about their perimeter? So perimeter of triangle ABC and triangle PQR will be same. Okay. Now in the second part we will have to draw two triangles of equal areas, but the triangles are not congruent. Now see here, we have drawn the two triangles in such a way, ABC and triangle PQR, in such a way that base is same, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units we have taken to make the base. Here also taken 4 units, and height of this triangle ABC is 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3. To get the equal areas of the triangle, we need to make the base and height same. Okay, so here we have taken 4 units to make the base and 3 units to make the height of both the triangles. So the area of ABC and triangle PQR is same. But here size and shape of these two triangles are not same. So these triangles ABC and PQR, these two triangles are not congruent. So here what we have done to draw this triangle, first we have made the base of 4 units, and then from B point we have drawn an altitude, or we can say that height, okay, of 3 units, okay, of triangle ABC. But in triangle PQR we have made the base same, which is of 4 unit, and from the midpoint, suppose this is the midpoint of QR, say S, this PS is the height and this is of 3 units, okay. So in these two cases base and height is same. This is also height, this is also height, so which is of 3 units, and this is the base which is of 4 units. So area will be same. But since the size and shape is not same, so PQR and ABC triangles are not congruent. But what about their perimeters? Perimeter of these two figures will not be same, because here if you add all the side of triangle ABC and if you add all the side of triangle PQR, it will not be same. Okay, so perimeter of triangle ABC and PQR will not be same if the triangles are not congruent. Now if you see the figure and count the units here, then we will find that perimeter is not same in both the triangles. See, if you count the units here 1 2 3 4 units to make the base and 3 units to make the height. So 4 plus 3 7, and here almost 4 boxes are covered to make the side AC, right? So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. Now if you see the triangle PQR, see base is again is of 4 units, 1 2 3 4, and here 3 boxes are used to make PR side and PQ side. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So here we have got 10 units and here we have got 11 units approximately. So we will write perimeter of triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle ABC and triangle PQR will not be same. Okay, so this was all about question number 7. Now coming to question number 8. Now question number 8 says, draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. So here we will have to draw two triangles in such a way that we will be having 5 pairs of congruent parts. Congruent parts means equal parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Now here we have drawn a rough sketch of two triangles. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Here angle B is 90 degree and angle Q is 90 degree, and BC side and RQ side is equal, and AC side and PQ side is equal. Okay, and A angle and P angle is equal, and C angle and R angle is equal. Okay, so here A angle and P angle is equal, C angle and R angle is equal, B angle and Q angle is equal, and AC side and PQ side is equal, and BC side and RQ side is equal. So we have drawn 5 pairs of congruent parts. Okay, but still these triangles are not congruent. Why? Because this is triangle ABC, okay, and this is triangle PQR, in which AB side is not equal to PQ. See here, this side AB is not equal to PQ because PQ is equal to AC, which is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. In a triangle, 3 sides are there and 3 angles are there. If in a triangle 3 sides and 3 angles are equal to another triangle, then only 2 triangles will be congruent. If you put one triangle over another triangle, it overlap each other if the sides and angles same. If the sides and angles same, then only it overlap each other and we can say that triangles are congruent, right? In this triangle, if you check BC side is equals to QR side. See, BC and QR is equal. But here we have seen that AB side is not equal to PQ side. AB is here, AB, okay, this is AB and this is PQ, and these two are not equal. Okay, AB is not equal to PQ, and since one pair of side is not equal, so we cannot say that triangles are congruent. Okay, so what we have observed that triangles are congruent, two triangles are congruent if there are 6 pair of congruent parts. Since one pair is not congruent, so these triangles are not congruent. Okay, so this was all about question number 8. Thank you, students.